What if you could automate your WordPress workflows without paying monthly fees for every task? That's exactly what WP Sync is designed to do. So, WP Sync is a WordPress automation tool that connects your apps, leads, customers, and marketing platforms to automate repetitive tasks without the per task cost of traditional automation tools. This is free live workshop shows exactly how to build a set and forget lead machine that multiplies what every lead and buyer is worth. Then sell the same system to businesses for $500 to $2,000 per month. You can discover 5-minute sync system that captures every lead and every buyer, drops them onto your list, CRM and follow up automatically, and runs 24/7 with no human in the loop, no Zapier bill, no CSV exports, no monthly task limits. This live workshop is for you if you're tired of leaving money on leads and buyers you already paid for. You want every lead and sale to capture and follow up itself with no CSV exports. You want to watch software drop a real lead onto a list, tagged and ready within 5 minutes live. You want a done for you service you can sell to businesses for $500 to $2,000 per month. More than 40% of website leads are never even replied to, and you want to be the one who fixes that for yourself and clients. So this software is going to launch on August 11, 2026 at 10 a.m. EST. You can click on this option, you can reserve your free spot. Now let's discuss who should attend this live workshop. Affiliate marketers. You earn the commission, then hand the buyer straight back to Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or ClickBank and never see them again. List builders and email marketers. Product sellers and course creators. WooCommerce, Shopify, Stripe, Thrivecart, Kajabi, Teachable. Agency owners and freelancers. You're done competing on price. Lead capture and follow up is a service every business needs and almost nobody sells. Complete beginners and side hustlers. No list, no clients, no tech skills, no problem. The system you can set up in hours you already have. Here's what you'll see at the live at this demo. The money leak audit, live 5-minute sync, the follow-up multiplier, kill the Zapier text, the service play. Overall, WP Sync is a solid option if you want to automate WordPress workflows without relying on expensive per task automation platforms. If you manage leads, customers, or multiple websites, it can potentially save you a lot of repetitive work. If you want to check out WP Sync for yourself, I've left the link in the description. Click it to see the current deal and all the features included. Make sure to like this video and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.